Oh, there's so many flowers there.
Yeah.
Those lily.
Lily pads.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to.
Oh, there's a lily there.
No,
Let's go.
you're not going to stop me from doing this.
Me neither. I'm going. There we go. Oh. Who? Is this steady? Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this. I don't see the yellow. You have one there? I see this one. Yeah, that one is beautiful. Oh, this one too. Oh, look at this, people. There. Nice.
Oh, it would be perfect if a dragonfly decided to see.
Yes, that will be an amazing picture. There's one there flying though. Oh, it's on the leaf.
I think it's too far.
Yeah,
See right here, it's not close.
that would
What's
be
really
nice.
cool, I've seen them in spring when they start growing. The leaves have like a purple color when they're
Really?
before they reach the surface.
Nice. I always thought that it was just white and with the yellow.
Yeah. But like the leaves themselves, when they are still, when they're
In
just
their,
starting to grow, they
yeah.
have like a purple color, and then when they reach the surface and they get sun, they start like the closer they get to the surface, the more they turn green.
Okay. Well, we have a picture.
Yeah.
I'm happy. Don't laugh, guys. Don't laugh. There we go. Thank you. Yeah, it's
See
gonna be.
Like weird fluffy bush.
Which one? Oh, that
This
one. Yeah.
They also, when they bloom, they also have like really fluffy flowers that are like either pink or a little peachy
Oh,
color.
look at the purple flower. Look, that garden is beautiful too.
Yeah.
Oh, is that an orange? Complete orange butterfly or not? I saw something here. Where is it? Here.
Yeah.
There it is. It's quiet. It's because they
Yeah.
shut it down. We're the only one walking here right now.
Wonder what that tree is.
Yeah, I don't know.
Need to get
It's
closer
beautiful.
and take a photo.
Looks beautiful, right?
Yeah. I think I know what it is. I think it's the same one that's outside of your house. They like in the autumn they have like these long, like kind of look like bean sprouts, like really long.
Oh, those.
But I've never seen them bloom. So I'm gonna.
Yeah, let's see. Ooh, that's
Hello,
soft.
baby.
Ooh,
No.
how do you do that? She can make animal sounds. Ooh, that's a bit too close. There. That picture looks like. Oh my God! Look, it looks just like looks like blue.
Ooh.
It looks like blue. It's like peacock color. Yeah. They look like blue, but they're dark green. It's just when you take it a little bit further away, it looks like blue. There.
Stop swinging. I'm trying to take a photo of you. That's good enough.
De zonnebril op, jongens. Let's go with the boat.
Yeah, let's take it.
We take the boat. But I don't think the key's in there.
No, but we can probably like
We can like,
use the wires to like.
yeah.
Oh, look. One of the babies is learning how to.
Oh, baby. Let's go.
Oh, look. It's another look.
Yeah, that's the one I like. It's like so different.
When I saw it, oh, look, it's the baby
Oh,
and mama.
don't go far away.
Oh. She went underwater.
Disappeared on us. Where did it go? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, and there's the other one.
Oh, look at the little one.
There's more of them. There's two more like further ahead.
Oh, you just turned around. Yeah, I don't think it's sharp though. Well, how cute.
Yeah.
We are on adventure. Oeh. Er waren brandnetels daar. En ik heb een kuttebroek aan. Lieve mensen. They don't. I hope they didn't close us in here.
We'll find a way out there.
Yeah.
Oh, there they are.
Well, maybe we can go in between.
Yeah.
We try. We are being naughty. Naughty.
We've done illegal things.
Naughty tourists.
We've done illegal things and you've documented it all.
I document it. Yeah, that's true. What do you want to do now?
Well,
We talk English? Oh, shit, I sometimes talk Dutch. Okay, that's a problem. Yeah, we can go past it or... Yay, thank you. Hopla, guys, hopla.
nobody needs to know that.
Nobody needs to know. We didn't walk there.
No.
No, we just came from there. Ooh.
Oh, look, more lily pads.
Ah. They were not there before last time I was here.
One time when I was here and I went for a walk with Brian, I saw a beautiful kingfisher.
Oh.
I've never seen them before in my life, other than like in photos.
Do you smell the water? It smells like the beach.
Yeah.
For some
look,
reason.
we can go lay in. There's a hammock there.
We can chill there.
Yeah.
You want to go to the hammock and lay down in it? Oh, yeah, you can do it.
It just feels like it's going to be extremely hot because it's
Probably.
black and it's plastic, so it's like.
Yeah. I assume so. So let me think. I go left part along the water there, to the left or to the right, like that. I tried. Maybe it's not hot.
Yeah.
But I'm afraid it is for some reason.
Yeah. I feel like it's going to be. It's a nice little patch here.
Yeah.
Except they cut the grass, but then they left this, so it's all just.
Yeah. It's not that hot?
No. Just getting on like this a little.
Oh, hold on.
There.
You do expect me to make a picture, of course.
Of course.
There we go. Oh,
That's nice.
yeah, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold even. What the fuck? Let me try it. If I can ever get out of it. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, ooh. Oh. Ah. Ooh, that's nice, guys. Oh. You can make a picture of me if you want.
Where's my dog? Giving you a nice swing.
Whee. Oh, it's actually really nice. Put a pillow here and something soft here and you lay here.
Very hammock for your balcony. I don't know.
Oh,
where you would put
yes.
it, but
Yeah,
it would be nice.
I don't think I have a spot because it has to be somewhere in the air
Yeah.
tight and I don't have it. Oh, you can see the sky, guys. Look at the sky. Okay, I'm getting off. Ooh.
Don't forget
Oh.
your phone.
Where's my... Oh, thank you. Let me get off. There we go. Ah. That was really nice for a second. Well, a minute. More like.
Which way are we going?
Yeah, I want to show you. I want to show the left, but and also the right. So let's when I have to think about when does it come, that part that I want you to see if I can still enter it, which I don't know yet. It's not here, I think. Oh, maybe. Watch out for the hole.
Yeah.
That's a deep hole, yes. Oh, birdies, finally. I love the sound of birds. That's nice, though.
Oh, it's so pretty.
There's tiny little white little flowers. You see the light?
Yeah.
Ooh, nice. Where is it? Oh, there.
Ja. Ja, wel gewoon lekker naar buiten kunnen en
Ah,
inderdaad dat je niet...
oh. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. You got it?
Not a good one. There's a lot of those holes here.
Yeah, you have to be careful.
I like the roots of this tree.
What's there and what the fuck is that?
Oh, it's probably like the little fluff from the trees that we see
It only
earlier.
almost looks like an animal.
Yeah.
Look, with legs and arms.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Oh, I have to take a picture of it. That looks so weird. Where is it? Here, I think. Yeah. That's funny. Ja, dat zijn pluisjes die in de boom zitten. Maar die hadden net leken dat, hoe heet dat? Alsof ze benen hadden en armen hadden. Het leek net een, ik weet niet, een raar poppetje of zo, maar het zijn witte pluizen die een figuurtje hebben gemaakt. Grappig. Oh, I like this. Oh, lekker man. Lieve mensen, ik ben aan het genieten. Ik hoop dat de camera het nog doet. Ik ga even checken. Ja, hij doet het nog. Oké, mooi.
I like the way this little tree is growing out here.
Oh ja. Look at that. Look at this, Anja.
Are there any spiders in there?
No, I don't. Oh, I don't think so. But that's also nature, so I took a picture. Ooh. What did they do with the tree?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
what's
don't know
that?
what that is, but it looks cool. Though. Yeah, I don't know. Chestnuts? No, Maybe.
I have no clue. Oh, you and me have to go to a cemetery in the middle of the dark. I would,
Yeah.
if I hear something, I'm out of there. Seriously, I will scream. Oh, that's nice. I like the light on the floor too, like the
Yeah.
sun.
So that tree over there was walnuts, and then these bushes,
Yeah.
those are the chestnuts? No, not chestnuts. Hazelnuts.
Hazelnuts?
Yeah. I'm trying to see if I can find any like bunch of the nuts.
Hazelnoten, mensen.
But I know because we have a lot of them in Sweden as well.
Okay. Ooh, that's a nice picture. Straight through the leaves. Oh, nice. Oh, you have to take a picture here. It's like straight through the
Yeah.
leaves like that.
Look here.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh. Why is it not
Yeah, it does that sometimes. It's pretty.
pretty? I hear a bird there. Let's try the left because I don't know if we can still see the other part of, or if we are too far now. Or maybe we are exactly at the point. I don't know. We will see. I like it when the trees are like that,
Yeah.
like it's like an arch or something.
Yeah.
It's
And
really
it feels
beautiful.
like you're going through a tunnel.
Yeah, a nature tunnel,
Yeah.
tunnel of trees. There is a real forest. It's also not that far away with the bus, but the bus goes like a different route by.
Yeah.
And that's why it takes longer, but it's not that far away from us.
Let me check. There was something I wanted to go to.
Okay.
So when I was looking, just like looking randomly what's in the city, I found Amer Jungle.
Oh, yeah,
And when we have the car, we could go there.
yeah, we can go there definitely.
and see like all the animals.
Yeah.
Careful, there's a hole here.
Yep. Almost nobody goes in this part, but I like it. That's because of it. Oh, pfft. No. Oh. Here, mushrooms, Anja. You see them?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, it's all grown here. It was not here like that. That was open before, I think. You can really be alone on this little piece of land. Hoor je dat, mensen? Vogel. Mooi. Oh, ze is daar naartoe. Naar het water. Oh, even naar beneden lopen, zo. They have, look, a lot of beer cans. En een hier, watermeloenen op blikjes bier, jongens. Holla die, hè? En een feestje vieren hier. Maar je zit hier wel inderdaad heel afgeschermd. Dus ik snap wel. Hoe hebben ze nou houten dingen neergelegd, joh? Ik ga daar even naartoe. I will probably stay here.
Yeah. It's not very easy to walk on this, especially because everything moves.
Yeah.
Oh, but there's a pretty butterfly.
Butterfly. I like that.
There's a broken wing.
It's on the plant. There. He's sitting there.
Which one?
You see him? Ooh, he's nice though. Ah, he's moving. Oh, the winds. So good. Well, you can have like privacy here though. It's really nice.
Somebody else thought of that too.
Yeah, but I don't like the fact that they just trash that there.
Yeah.
They should just tidy that up, in my opinion. Respect the nature.
Shame.
Yeah. But apparently they don't care. There's a barbecue thingy.
Yeah.
What's that for?
No clue.
For laundry? Or
Maybe.
there's a hole in the chair.
It's a toilet seat.
It's a toilet seat. They have to shit in there. Okay.
Yeah, let's just go back.
Yeah, let's go back. Just wanted to explore a little bit. Oh, ooh, mushrooms.
Oh, those are cool.
Poor tree.
It's very dead.
Yeah.
Very much so.
Wow, look at this. That's so sad.
Yeah. I mean, it's not actually dead. It fell over here and then it started growing there again.
Oh yeah,
That's cool.
it's half dead then.
Yeah.
Oeh, slak.
It's like a wall.
A wall of... Wow. Oeh. a bird?
Yeah, tiny little bird. Let's see where this takes us. I don't know if we can. I think we'll have to go back in this. But this is. Look how cool this is.
Wow.
It's like a cave.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, it looks like a cabin, like a wooden cabin from the 1900s, 1800s, or
Yeah.
whatever. It's really cool. Beautiful.
I guess I don't think we'll be able to go through there.
No.
I think we have to go back.
Yeah, we have to. Als de camera uitvalt, mensen, dan is de batterij weg en ik heb geen reserve bij me vandaag. Sorry. Maar het grootste gedeelte hebben jullie dan toch al gezien. We gaan even rondlopen en dan... Oeh, look at that, Anja. What's that? That's a mushroom. Right?
Yeah. Oh, it's completely dry. It was probably here or something.
Yeah, put it back in the tree.
Here, you can go back to. Yeah, it looks like it must have been growing here. And then.
Yeah.
It's not quite mushroom season yet, at least not for some edible mushrooms are starting to grow now, but still a little too warm.
Oh, we could have... No, we couldn't. Oh. Allemaal bramenstruiken hier, lieve mensen. Doet me vroeger denken. Bramen plukken met mijn zusje. Zo. Smell the water.
Yeah, because there's water right
Smelly
here,
water.
right behind these.
Yeah,
There's water.
that's very dirty.
Yeah. You can see it here.
Yeah, that's
There's a
filthy.
little pond,
Yeah.
still water.
Oh, there's the path. Okay. We'll walk a little bit better like this. I always, when I want more nature than just the little park where I live, and I go here.
Yeah.
If you would walk all the way around the water, it would be, what was it again, 6 kilometers. But we didn't, we are not going to make the whole thing, I think. Well, I'm not sure, to be honest.
Yeah. Still walk.
No, not completely, but most of it. We have been sporty then. Healthy. That's a nice one.
Yeah, that's elderflower. You can smell it.
Oh. Oh, yeah, that's the one that I always smell. Reminds me of my childhood though.
Yeah.
I used to get flowers and put it in a jar, put water in it and make perfume of it with my sister.
Yeah.
And then sell it at the door. Like, do you want parfum? We just made it. It was funny.
I mean, if you boil it with water and sugar, you get juice.
Really?
Yeah, elderflower juice.
Okay. Oh, they have yellow flowers. Oh, purple ones. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. No, 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 don't go. Don't go. Those are so tiny.
I don't think I'll. Well, maybe I'll be able to get a good photo of the pink flowers. Those are beautiful.
Oh my god, they are so adorable. And a purple flower. Let's see. Oh, we just missed them. Come back. We were too loud. Watch out! Anya, you're falling in the water. And it will be on camera. And I will send it to Funny's videos.
Oh, look, there's their nest.
Oh,
Oh, look at that duck. It's so beautiful. It's all alive.
that's beautiful. Where are the little ducklings now? Oh, there. There, straight forward.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Look at that duck.
yeah. Those are the ones that I like because they are so different.
Yeah.
I really enjoy those. But okay. Something touched me. Whatever. I will be okay.
Something touched you.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
A plant. Zo, echt heel veel zitten maaien hier. Lieve mensen. Well, oh, there's someone hiding in bushes. We can go in the water if we take out the shoes, take off the shoes, like there a little bit, where the.
Unless there's like too much seaweed.
Okay, yeah, we have to check. But this is the dog beach, so then it goes like this a little bit. Oh, that's nice. You still have water?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You just press on this little button.
Yep. You have to drink. It's important. Ooh, what was that? A bird? Or a huge butterfly? I think it was a bird.
Sounds like bird.
Birdie, birdie. Ah, witte vlinder. It's here. You can just go in the water if you would want to. Yeah. Seashells. What's that orange thing?
This is.
Oh,
It looks like a part of a.
cigar?
No. Some kind of raw fish, like a crab or something. There's
Okay.
more of it. A little mermaid broth.
Oh yeah. Oh, don't fall forward. Oh. See?
Yeah, I would not want to go in there.
No, let's not do it. Hi! 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 Oh, mijn haarband. Dan ging mijn haarband weer, lieve mensen. Ik word er gek van. Zo lekker dat. Oh. Heerlijk, die wind. Hey, hi. Wat zit jij daar lief? Wat zit jij daar zo lief? Ja, gapen. Wat zit jij daar lief? Hi. Kom eens, kom eens. Ja, goed zo. Hi, liefie. Hi, schatje. Hi, lieve. Oh, look. Sorry for the abrupt ending of my video. My battery just died on me and I didn't have any backup battery with me. So, yeah, it is what it is. Here are still some pictures that I took. And we really enjoyed the walk. Part of the route was like, how do you say that? A bit, well, we couldn't go there. There were like signs that they're working on the pathway. And basically it was not allowed to go there, but we were both like, rules? What rules? Let's go. So we just ignored it and we had a whole walk. And I'm from the Netherlands. This is a Dutch channel normally, but because she is from Sweden and she obviously cannot talk Dutch, the whole conversation is mostly in English. So that's why I gave it an English title. And that's why I'm talking English right now. We had a great time. We had a great time. I want to end this video with wishing you all a great day with a lot of love, wisdom, and claim your own power. I think that's very important. Claim your own power. Be authentic, yourself, 100%, and claim your sovereignty. There's no one above you. There's no one below you. And I want to wish you a fantastic day. And I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.